If you're looking for the best WordPress hosting of 2026, grab a cup of coffee because your search just ended. In this video, I'll break down the best WordPress hosting options. These are providers I have tried, tested, and used for my personal projects. So you can be assured that with you, I'm sharing only the best of the best. But before we jump in, if you're here more for the discounts, I've left the best and biggest deals in the description, or you can scan the QR code to grab my #1 recommendation. Don't worry, for your convenience, these QR codes will also appear when I talk about each provider. They really do offer a hefty discount, so make sure you use them before buying anything. All right, let's set some basic rules. Every provider on this list offers great shared hosting on WordPress that comes with everything a modern site needs. Free SSL, automatic backups, a free domain name for a year, strong security, and optimized servers. But they all excel in very different areas, so the right choice depends on whether you care more about overall value, affordability, or simplicity. Let's start with overall value. If you're just starting or don't know what you'll need in the future, hands down the best web hosting you can get is Hostinger. You can find hundreds of Hostinger reviews on YouTube, all of which will state the same thing. It's the most beginner-friendly hosting provider, offering affordable WordPress hosting plans that pack surprisingly serious power under the hood. It's among the fastest WordPress hosting providers, mainly because it uses NVMe storage. Think of it like solid-state drives, but better. Just that alone makes your site load faster than most competitors, and hosting a WordPress plans add more resources than others in the same price range, while also giving you 24 hours of free resource boost. Yeah, you heard that right. You can double your resources for 24 hours once a month, completely free. And I haven't found another provider offering anything similar. You might not care much about the technical side, which is totally understandable, and Hostinger gets that. If you're a beginner, there are tons of fail-safes and support options that make it the best place to start your journey. For example, you get automatic backups, 24/7 customer support, an automatic troubleshooter, Hostinger Academy, one of the easiest control panels to manage, and on top of that, Cody. Cody is amazing. It's an AI chatbot that feels more like your personal developer than support. It can modify your website and handle most management tasks for you. Even if you're skeptical about AI, you'll probably love Cody. There's also free migration that takes about 10 minutes with zero work on your end, plus a built-in website builder that makes the whole process even simpler. On top of that, you get access to an AI email marketing tool called Reach to create promotions without any stress. When it comes to truly cheap WordPress hosting in 2026, Hostinger's higher tier plan delivers some of the best performance for the price. Honestly, go try Hostinger. Even if you don't like it, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you're not risking anything. Just don't forget to use my discount link. I have a good feeling you might just stick with Hostinger. Now let's talk about affordability. Don't get me wrong, Hostinger also offers cheap WordPress hosting, but no one can beat IONOS at this. If your goal is the cheapest hosting that still feels professional, IONOS WordPress is your guy. With the famous $1 unlimited plan, it's ideal for short-term projects, testing ideas, or launching something on a tight budget. But naturally, that $1 a month deal can't last forever. After the initial period is over, this plan jumps to around $15 a month. That might seem like a lot when you just started at $1, but IONOS and Hostinger pricing after renewals are very similar, and IONOS gives you unlimited resources. So to be fair, even after the price increase, this plan is still one of the cheapest premium options for a host without limits. And that's not all. Each plan includes daily automatic backups, strong built-in security, and redundant storage, meaning your site is stored on 2 physical servers for extra stability. It also includes business-ready features like wildcard SSL and multiple data centers for reliable performance. That wildcard certificate is nothing to scoff at. It protects your domain and all its subdomains. And other providers charge hundreds of dollars a year for a wildcard certificate. So that's serious value for any business project. Look, if budget is your top priority, this might be the smartest move for WordPress hosting in 2026. Then we have simplicity, and for that, I recommend Bluehost. Now, why is Bluehost the best choice for simplicity? Because it's the easiest way to host and manage your WordPress website in 2026. After the recent update, their dashboard is clean, minimalist, and super easy to use. But unlike my other recommendations, Bluehost also offers standard cPanel access, so when you grow as a professional, you have somewhere to move. It also features the best WordPress AI onboarding I've ever experienced. And once your site is live, there's BLU, a chatbot that can edit your content for you. Yeah, you can manage WordPress by just asking BLU. Or if you can afford it, hire an expert straight from Bluehost. Another reason it's great for beginners is that Bluehost offers affordable entry plans, especially with my coupon code. You get automatic backups, manage WordPress hosting, which means updates and stability are handled for you, and domain name privacy protection. Overall, Bluehost is clearly optimized for WordPress from the ground up, and it gets my highest recommendation if you're looking for that kind of host. Just don't forget those discount links to make the deal even sweeter. So, which one should you choose? For maximum value and strong performance, Hostinger is the winner. If you want the absolute cheapest hosting with reliable infrastructure, go with IONOS. And if you want the easiest possible WordPress hosting experience, choose Bluehost. If this video helped you narrow down the best WordPress hosting for your project, make sure to hit that like and subscribe for more videos like this. Comment below and tell me what you're building this year. A blog, an online store, a business site, or something out of this world. Okay, don't forget to grab the discount links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.